Hey guys, today we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials, okay? So when I think about multiplication, I think about an idea of area, okay? So we're going to find the area of these polynomials. So let's say we have 2x plus 3, which means we have a box that either has a length or width, doesn't make a difference, because the order of multiplication doesn't matter, of 2x and plus 3. Then we have the side of the box then, the width, has an x minus 3 here. So that gives us the dimensions of the box. Then, how do you find area? Well, we multiply, right? The length times the width. So that's simply all you're going to do here. So the length and the width of the first box is 2x times x, then 3 times x, then in the bottom, 2x times negative 3, and then 3 times negative, that's 4 there. That's negative 4, and that's negative 4 there. So what is 2x times x? Well, the rule we're multiplying is that we add the powers. So x times a, x times b, we're going to add the powers together. Add the powers that be. So in this case, it's going to be 2 x to the first times x to the first. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so this is 2x squared. Now 3 times x is going to be 3x. 2x times negative 4, multiply the numbers. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8x. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Then what we're going to need to do now is we're going to add the like terms. So these are x to the first power, so we can add them by adding the numbers in front. So negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5x minus 12. And there's your answer. Okay? Now again, on number 2, there's a number on the outside. So I'm going to distribute that in first before I multiply. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. And now we'll do the same thing that we did before. 3x plus 12, x minus 5. So 3x times x, remember that's x to the first, x to the first. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so 3x squared. 12 times x is 12x. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. And 5 times negative 12, so 12 times negative 5 is negative 60. So now we're going to rewrite them and figure out if we have any like terms. And we do, the x is right here, so we're going to add the numbers in front and keep the variable the same. So negative 15 plus 12 is negative 3x minus 60. Now, what would happen if we added an extra term? Well, we noticed here that for each term we're getting an extra, call it a box. So you have 2 terms and 2 terms, you need 4. So 2 terms and 3 terms will give you 6 boxes, because 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to put the length as x squared plus 5x plus minus 6, because it doesn't matter, and the 2x plus 3 on the side. And then we're going to multiply the length and width of each box. Notice how I'm not caring about the order I put in multiplication, because it doesn't matter. So 2x times x squared, remember there's a 1 here, so 1 plus 2 is 3, this is 2x cubed. Remember there's a 1 here, so 2x times 5x is 10, 1 plus 1 is 2, x squared. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12x. 3x squared, 15x, and negative 18. So now we're going to write out all the terms we have here and find the like ones. So notice we have an x squared here and an x squared here, so add the numbers in front. 10 plus 3 is 13. And here we have negative 12x and 15x. Add the numbers in front. 15 minus 12 is 3. And it's 18, and we are done. All right, so how many boxes do we need in number 4? Yep, 6 of them. Again, does it matter what the length and width are? Nope. All right, so x squared times 5x squared. Add the powers. 2 plus 2 is 4. X times 5x squared. Add the powers. There's a 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Again, order doesn't matter. So negative 15x squared. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. All right, so let's see what we can combine. Okay, the only thing I can combine here are the x squares. Everything else are not like terms. They all remain separate. So minus 17x squared minus 2x plus 6.